Chris Aarons here with the Den Brass Challenge Lock, a Schlage keyway. Bidding's not too bad. That's pretty nice there, those high lows. Very smooth lock. That lock is, you can just spin that lock. That is smooth. And pin it up. I'm gonna vice it up. I don't know what word I'm looking for, but and see if I can get into it. Got some bright light there. Okay, maybe my hand can get it off of it. Flash for a little while. Alright, try the top of the keyway. I'm gonna try this new little pick here I got from Sparrows. I've never used one of those before, so I don't know how it's gonna work with it. Low cut there on number 1. I've never used it. See if it's worth anything. Kind of look funny. Thought I'd try it out. And start the back. Might be easier to get this thing in. I don't know if I'm gonna like it. Yeah, I don't know if that's the right thing for that lock. Just try a little standard hook here. Let me go over here in the camera where y'all can see. Click on 3. Let's click on 2. And we'll go off 5 and 6. Another click on 6 and a slight turn on the core. And I've lost count. I think that's 3. 2, 1. Yep, that was 3. A little turn on it. Got a little deeper hook here. Maybe too deep there. We'll try it. Alright, that was click on 3, but I lost my false set. I'm getting nothing. Oh, whoop, there was something. I think I touched 5. Got that little false set back. This is a no feedback lock right here. There's a little click on 2. Small click on 3. I think I overset 4. Pushed up a little hard on it. Maybe not. I hit 5 and core turned again. Man. It was a little turn on 6. I keep losing my false set. I'll get it back. That was 3, I believe. Alright, 2. I'm in a deep false set. I'm getting some feedback now. There's 1. Might still be a little. Can't tell if it's something on 2 or not. Alright. 6. There it was. Oh, 6. 6 had failed. Wow, that was really fun. That lock gives no feedback whatsoever. I wouldn't get nothing halfway through that lock. Let's see, we got a little clip on the back. Let me find my... There it is. My Coke bottle opener. I do have a key, so if I lock this thing back up, I don't have to pick it again. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and lock it up, because it's just going to be easier to do. I think. Oh, okay, that's going to be one of those. I probably got to spread. Nope, there it went. Nope, pop back in there. There it comes. All right. Good. Didn't really want to pick it again. That was a really good one. I'm going to try not to shim it. I'm probably going to make a mistake, but nope, it worked. That worked out good. All right, let's see if it focused there. We'll take a look at these pins. They're all in there. Now tell me that's not me. That is some artwork right there. You can see they're all threaded. Dump them out and we'll take a real close look at everything. Focus. I gotta tell it to focus. There's number 1. Nope, that way. Get over here where you can see. Number 2. Came out that way. Den Brass, you've done amazing work on these pins. We're definitely going to take a good close look at them. And I don't know if these springs are going to be different. We'll dump them out one at a time and see. No, look like they might be all the same. Got one hung somewhere. I think it was number 5. Yeah, it's hung in number 5. I can see it. We'll just leave it in there. Oh, we want to take a look at this. Alright. Looks like some light threading in 1, 2, 3. See it in 4, 5, and 6. Looks like all of them are threaded. That way, all those are threaded. That's nice threading. Alright, and we'll take the first pins here. Very nice small serrations. A reduced driver pin there with a serration. Steel spring. And we got this. What's these other ones? This little T-pin here with a nice kind of a serrated spool looking. Done some wonderful work on these pins. Okay, this one was the key pin. And this was the driver. Look how small those threads are. Here's another T-pin. Oh wow, that is beautiful. It's an amazing job on it. Another serrated T-pin. Serrated driver. And last, but definitely not least, spool serration key pin with this serrated T-pin for a driver. Alright. Whoa, get back over here. Okay, that's what we got for this Den Brass lock. I want to thank y'all for watching. Y'all be legal, and God bless.